Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how to share location in real time in Facebook Messenger application. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes under the video and write your comments after watching. And let's get to our topic today. Open the app in Facebook Messenger. Next, go to the correspondence where you would like to share your location. Now here you'll need to click on the plus sign and select the location. Then in order to start sharing it, just click Start Sharing the Location in Real Time. And you will immediately start sharing your location with your conversation partner. And the Messenger app will share your location for exactly 1 hour. After an hour, it will stop sharing your location with the other user, and you'll be able to track how much time you have left. And you'll also be able to see that you're sharing your location in both of your conversations with the person, because you'll have a window like this. Friends, this is the way you can easily share your location in real time in the Facebook Messenger app. I really hope this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please, friends, leave your likes, leave your comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you soon.